Now, how you get started is going to be a little bit different depending on whether you're using a Mac or Linux or Windows. So I'll walk through how to do it in both systems. So you know where to get these instructions later. Just go to getcomposer.org and then click the download link. This gives you instructions on how to download the installer. Go ahead and try this first one first. Chances are you have curl installed, but it also gives you instructions for if you don't. So what you want to do is open up your terminal, and you want to navigate to a folder where you don't mind downloading this. And now you have two options. You can download Composer directly into your project, so it's part of it, or you can download it and put it in your user bin directory so you can access it from any file path. We're going to go that route. So first, you want to select a folder to download this in. Now in my Finder, I already have an empty folder, and what I'm going to do is drag the folder over to Terminal and type cd space and then drop it. And hit enter in order to navigate to that folder. And next I'm going to go back to the getcomposer/download and copy this code. And I'll jump over to my terminal screen, paste it in, and hit enter. Okay, so we get some encouraging comments here. It even tells us how we can use it. So to use it, we would type php and then composer.phar. Let's go ahead and give that a try. Okay, so we get a list of options here. This means it's working properly. So if we jump back to our folder, we'll see composer.phar here. It's possible that you might not have seen a phar file before. What it is basically a container for an entire PHP application, and it can be run in PHP just like a PHP script. Except if you looked at the contents of it, you'd probably see several different files split up. It's kind of a cool way to make a PHP application shareable without having to deal with lots of directories and files. So to do what we want to do next, we could actually use composer.phar right inside of the directory where we're going to download our packages. But we're going to take this one more step and add this to our user bin folder so we can execute it from any file path. So just so we can see what we're doing, let's go back to our terminal window. I'm going to clear the back scroll. And let's open /usr/bin. And this will open up our user bin directory. And what we'll do is we'll take our composer.phar and we'll drag it over to it. Now if we jump back to our terminal screen, let's navigate to a different folder. I'll just do cd .. in order to jump to the containing folder. A little quirk of being in the bin directory now is that we don't have to type php before we actually run the file. So we're going to type composer.phr without the php and hit enter. Okay, so we get our list of commands and we're good to go.